Hello and welcome to The Big Story with Danish on Niti Central. There are stories which are important, stories which are very close to our heart, and this one is especially close to my heart. It's about empowering the specially abled. My guest today is Pranav Desai. He's based out of United States, and when the entire election process was happening, he was the anchor of empowering the specially abled. Pranav Desai with us on how to make Bharat accessible for the specially abled. Pranav, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Danish, for having me.
Pranav, let's talk about Accessible Bharat Abhiyan. What is it and how does the public understand it?
So the whole idea is to make India accessible in terms of the infrastructure. When I talk to infrastructure, it's the bus stations, railway stations, government offices, banks, hotels, hospitals, education, private sector offices, all of that. So the Abhiyan is intended to promote large-scale awareness across the country, across the people, and the corporate, political, and social leaders to make sure that everybody comes together and takes it as, like Swachhata Abhiyan, like Shri Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi ji has launched a similar type of a countrywide Abhiyan. When we launch, it will create a huge momentum, allocation of resources, and certainly create an inclusive society mindset. And certainly the psychological impact when people start seeing ramps, pipes, change in the infrastructure, it has a lasting impact. So people will start thinking more about specially able people and their needs. And that's how we'll make a more inclusive society. So I think the driver for that change, implementing 7 manifesto commitments of BJP, this accessibility is a prime driver to make that happen. And that's why that Abhiyan we are working on.
And you've had an interaction with the Prime Minister, and what's his reaction? Because if you go back slightly, when he gave his address to the nation on radio, through radio in Mann Ki Baat, he especially talked about that how it's our responsibility to help the specially abled. It's the country's responsibility and all.
Yeah. So, first of all, Modi ji has been very, very, emotionally also connected to this cause. And that's the reason, the whole campaign also had a special focus on specially able people. And the manifesto has reflected 7 commitments. It further goes into, I was fortunate enough to meet him in the New York at the dinner function hosted by Ambassador of India in the US. And at that time, I again briefed him, talked about Accessible Bharat Abhiyan and etc. Which when he talked on his radio address, it clearly reflects as how much he is caring for the specially able children and people. It's very important for everybody to be very happy that this is one Prime Minister or probably only Prime Minister who has spoken so clearly that it's a responsibility of society and nation. And this can go as a big policy input to the policymakers and the resource allocation, because certainly when it's a nation's responsibility, it implies, government as well as society, CSR, all the funds to take care of our specially able children. So I'm very happy that he loud and clear, without any ambiguity, put across his thoughts, Mann Ki Baat, to crores of people across the country. And I really thank him for making that big, statement as well. So people
Pranav,
at large would start seeing different.
Pranav, do you have a time frame when, to an extent, the Accessible Bharat Abhiyan can be seen on the streets, in the hospitals, in the hotels and universities? Can we see that? I mean, is there a time frame?
When it will be launched, the first phase would be certainly on the awareness creation. So, for example, let's say Mukesh Ambani ji of Reliance, when he wants to contribute and make sure that he plays his part of, partner with the government, he will have to put across certain allocation of the budget to retrofit all the Reliance offices, making them accessible, right, as per the universal accessible standards. So we should be able to see those things happening in I think year or two. It wouldn't happen obviously in 1 year.
Okay.
But it's a definitely 5-year plan.
Right. Pranav, on that note, I want to thank you for the time you've taken out and coming on to our program. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Dennis.
Thank you.